Alrighty guys, here we go once again with another video for you guys. Man, these cab lights just keep on coming in. We got the Recon cab lights coming in. We got another brand new 2024 GMC 2500 to do. No lights. On this one, we're also going to do the lights here on the side and mount those lights. We're gonna start tearing this puppy up and see if we can finish it one day. I'm getting pretty quick at them, but you still got to be really careful with what you're drilling out. Yesterday I did a set. Today I'm doing another set. The other one I knocked it out probably in like three hours. So let's see if we can keep it going. Let's get into it. Cab lights install and some Baja design, Baja design. Spotlights installation, along with the switch pro. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so here we go. We're wrapping up the switch pro install here on the brand new 2024 GMC. So the last thing that we need to do is find an accessory to hook up our switch to, so we can get these lights to fire up. We installed the switch here. It's pretty secured. It ain't going to go nowhere. We ran all our wiring for the pillar lights here. Finished up the cab lights. Now we just gotta mount that switch here. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. I'll show you guys how it looks once it's all settled and done. We're almost done with it. Alrighty guys, we wrapped up the 2024 GMC AT4 HD cab lights installation. Completed the cab lights install. We did the Go Recon. Nice and clean. These are the ambered ones. Tore everything down, got it back to normal, but looking better. We also installed the switch pro that you see here. Let me show you guys what those look like. So the customer did bring in his own parts. We can get you the parts as well if you guys would like. Got the brackets for this specific year, make, and model. Baja design lights. We installed those as well. With the Switch Pro. Which is mounted right here, nice and secured. Ran all our wiring nice and clean. Hooked everything up. Looks super clean right here. Looks really good. Those lights are pretty bright. Both sides are done, nice and clean. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys are interested on getting cab lights, any kind of lights installed, we can help you out here at G's Garage in Corona.